Team, good morning. Tom Allor from Boston, Massachusetts. Listen, I just got a pretty distressing call from a customer who's really concerned. The call went something like this. He said, Tom, none of your stuff works. I said, really? Do you need to open a support case? Can I help you? He's like, no, that's not what I mean at all. I have these new applications called containers, an application modernization that's happening within my organization. And I tried to run these containerized applications in the traditional infrastructure, and it failed miserably. So Tom, I know I trust you, and I know the past 20 years that you've been selling to me, that you've helped us along the curve in terms of application architecture and technology. Remember when we took those 200 servers, virtualized them, and consolidated the footprint, and brought all the data down into a centralized storage area network where we could apply data services such as snapshotting technology to test and dev our applications, as well as replication technology and the ability to back up the entire data pool from the storage array, enabling high availability and resiliency. Well, those are the old days, Tom. And I'm being asked, put to task on helping with these containerized workloads. I need some help, and I need it bad. Furthermore, I'm a little confused on some of this technology. I don't understand Kubernetes, Docker, Red Hat OpenShift. I'm really not sure which way to go with this, Tom, and I'm really trusting and relying upon IBM to help me out. Can you come in and help me? I said, absolutely, I would love to come and help you. I'll be in within a couple hours. I said, thank you. Okay, so cut over, right? So that's how the call went. And essentially, we have a customer here that has leveraged the cloud in the past, whether it's software as a service or infrastructure as a service. And now their initiative with Cloud First, and now hybrid cloud, is to containerize their applications. The IBM team is helping them with modernization with their cloud packs, converting all their applications into containerized formats. And so he's got some challenges, right? He tried to run the applications in his current environment, and it failed miserably. Probably used something like Portworx, and probably tried to use network file storage to do that, and it's failing miserably. And this is a common theme. This is something we see a lot. So what are the three things that I want to emphasize when I talk to him about our solution? Well, I'd like to first emphasize that Storage Fusion is a data services at scale platform that supports containerized workloads in Red Hat OpenShift. When I mean storage services, we look at application services that we provided in the past through VMware and storage area networks. Essentially, these applications still have the same requirements, right? They need to be highly available, they need to be resilient, and they need persistent storage to write to be able to support the application and the workload. So Spectrum Fusion brings all of that and more. Most importantly, why do you back up data? So you can recover it. So it also provides backup and recovery for these containerized applications. Number two, I want to talk to him about simplicity. We have the ability to roll in a hyper-converged infrastructure that includes network, storage, and compute. And within a matter of hours, they can stand up their applications, their containerized applications. Or we can leverage software-defined version of Spectrum Storage Fusion to enable the same set of capabilities, but they can leverage their existing hardware assets and the virtualized assets that come over. Number three, I want to talk to him about enabling hybrid cloud. We all know that containerized applications are very important in the hybrid cloud journey. Companies spent a lot of money to containerize applications to enable them to test, develop, roll into production, whether that's on a private cloud or a public cloud, and also bring it back into their data center. So when their CFO asks them, that why is our cloud bill so expensive? They have the ability and the options to essentially bring it back in-house, which is huge strategic advantage. The strategic overall relevance is underscored by the fact that they're going to have this competitive advantage and they're not going to be beholden to the cloud provider. They're going to have the flexibility that containerized applications promise them. Finally, I want to underscore this by this is IBM. We bought them through these challenges before, and we can bring them through the next evolution of IT, delivering applications in a containerized format. My biggest concern is if we don't get a seat at the table now, the IBM team is going to miss out in the next 5 to 10 years of hybrid cloud computing. So essentially that's my game plan. That's what I'm going in with. We'll probably have deeper, more technical conversations, but overall it's a really strong value proposition and it's strategically relevant not only to their organization but to IBM as well. Thank you, happy selling, and wish me good luck. Enjoy the view.